Hello everyone, this is Karthik and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will cover chapter 9 parallel sailing, exercise 11 position arrived. So the first question is given here. Find the position arrived, latitude left 57 degree 42 minutes south, longitude left 12 degree 19 minute east, course is equal to 90 degree and distance is 684 miles. So we have to find out the position arrived. So the course is eastward direction, we will write here. And to find out this type of answer, there is a formula, that is d long is equal to departure upon cos latitude. So this is your formula. By the help of this formula you can find out the positions of latitude. And so here departure is equal to distance. Departure is given here in form of distance, and cos latitude is given here. So we have to find out the d long. So d long is equal to departure, that is our 684 miles, and cos latitude, that is our 57 degree 42 minute. Okay, we will solve it. 684 divided by cos 57 degree 42 minute, that is our 1280.054258. Now we will convert this minute into degree. So just convert into degree. 60 degree, that is 21 degree 20 point. So we will convert d long into, so this one will 21 degree 20 minute. And which direction? The course is given here 90 degree, that is our east direction, so it will eastward direction. We find parallel sailing, we don't need to find out the d lat, because parallel sailing means eastward and westward movement, and d lat means the northern and southern movement. So we don't need to find out the d lat, just find out the d long. And we know that latitude left, that is our 57 degree 42 minutes south, and d lat would be our 0 degree 0 minute, and this one would be your latitude arrived. So here the answer would be 57 degree 42 minutes south, and longitude left, that is your 12 degree 19 minute east, and d long would be your 21 degree 20 minute east. So longitude arrived would be, we will just add it. If the longitude left and d long is given here, and if both is in same direction, so you have to add it, and both is in different direction, so you have to subtract it. So there is a rule to find out the longitude arrived. So what will we do? We will just add it. 12 degree 19 degree 20 minute, that is your 30 degree 39 minute east. Okay, so this is your answer. Latitude arrived you find out, and longitude arrived. So this is your positions. So first one position, that is your latitude position, that is 57 degree 42 minutes south. 30 longitude position, that is your 33 degree 39 minute east. So this is your answer. Okay, now let's move to the second question, that is find the position arrived. Latitude left 69 degree 11 minute north, longitude left 99 degree 39 minute west, course 270 degree, and distance 794.8 miles. So course, that is our westward direction, so westerly direction course is given here, and we know the formula, that is d long is equal to departure upon cos lat. Okay, so this is the formula. Just look into the formula what have given us. So departure, that is equal to distance, so departure is given here, and cos latitude is also given here, so we can easily find out the d long. So just put the value. So departure is equal to 794.8 miles divided by cos latitude, that is cos 69 degree 11 minute north. Just divide it, 794.8 divided by cos 69 degree 11 minute. So it will come in the form of minute, that is your 2236.486328, and we will convert it into degree form. So it will come 37 degree 16 minute 5 second. So d long would be 37 degree 16.5 minute would be your d long. Which direction? Westward direction. Okay, so you find out the d long. Now you have to just find out the positions. So in parallel sailing we don't need to find out the d lat. Whatever the latitude left, that would be our arrived latitude. So just write down the latitude left. Latitude left would be 69 degree 11 minute north. D lat is equal to 00 degree 00 minute, and longitude left is equal to 99 degree 39 minute west, and D long is equal to 37 degree 16.5 minute west. Okay, now you have to find out the position arrived. So latitude arrived, that is your 69 degree 11 minute north. Longitude arrived, that is because longitude left and D long is in same hemisphere, same direction, so we will just add it. And when we will add it, 99 degree 39 minute plus 37 degree 16.5 minute, that is 136 degree 55.5 minute. Okay, so 136 degree 55.5 minute west. So this is your answer, and you find out the position of latitude A and longitude B. So this is your position of A and position of B. So this is your answer. Okay, by the help of this formula you can find out the positions. Now let's move to the third question, that is find the position arrived. Latitude left 41 degree 38 minute north, longitude left 169 degree 29 minute west, course west, and distance is equal to 1158 nautical mile. Okay, here course is given in west, that is our in degree form it would be 270 degree. Formula is d long is equal to departure upon cos latitude. So d long is equal to departure upon cos lat. So this is the formula. Here distance is equal to departure in parallel sailing, so departure is given here in form of distance, and cos latitude is given here. So we will just apply the formula and put the value of latitude and distance. So d long is equal to departure, that is 1158 miles divided by cos latitude. So latitude, that is 41 degree 38 minute. So d long would be 1158 divided by cos 41 degree 38 minute, that is our 1549.346884 this comes in form of minute, so we will just convert into degree. So d long would be just divide by 60 degree. So this one is about 25 degree, 49 minute, and divided by 60, that is 49.4 minute. So d long would be 25 degree, 49.4 minute. So direction would be westerly direction. Okay, you find out the d long. Now you have to find out the positions. So latitude left, that is 41 degree, 38 minute north. D lat is equal to 00 degree, 00 minute, and longitude left, that is your 169 degree, 29 minute west, and D long is equal to 25 degree, 49.4 minute west, and you have to find out the positions. So just find the position arrived. So latitude arrived, that is your 41 degree, 38 minute north, and longitude arrived, that is your same directions. So we will add it. So 169 degree, 29 minute plus 25 degree, 49 minute, that is equal to 195 degree, 18 minute. 195 degree, 18.4 minute west. We know that if the longitude exceeds from 180 degree, then we will subtract it from 360 degree. So we will just subtract it from 360 degree. So longitude arrived would be 360 degree, 00 minute, minus 195 degree, 18.4 minute west. So when we will just subtract it, 360 degree, 00 minute, minus 195 degree, 18.4 minute, that is your 4 degree, 41.36 minute, and change the direction, that is it was westward direction, so it will become eastward direction. So this is your longitude arrived. So you find out the positions. So position of latitude, so position of latitude arrived, that is your 41 degree, 38 minute north, and position of longitude arrived, that is your 164 degree, 41.36 minute east. So this is your position of latitude 41 degree 38 minute, position of longitude 164 degree 41.36 minute east. So this is your position. Now let's move to the fourth question, that is find the position. Latitude left 34 degree 44 minute south, longitude left 154 degree 30 minute east. Course is given here, eastwardly directions, and distance is 1080 miles. So just apply the formula. D long is equal to departure upon cos latitude. So this one is our formula. Departure is given here in form of distance, and cos latitude is given here. So just apply the formula and put the value in departure and cos latitude and get the answer of D long. So D long is equal to departure, that is 1080 miles, divided by cos latitude, that is 34 degree 44 minute. So you find out the D long, that is 1080 divided by cos 34 degree 44 minute, that is your 1314.168044. This is your D long. in form of minute, so you have to convert into degree. So divide by 60, that would be your d long would be 21 degree 54.2 minute. Which direction? Eastward direction. So you find out the d long. This is your d long. Now you have to find out the position arrived. So latitude left, that is your 34 degree 44 minutes south. Delat, that is your 00 degree 00 minute, and longitude left, that is your 154 degree 30 minute east. D long is equal to 21 degree 54.2 minute east. Okay, and we will find out the position arrived. So latitude arrived is equal to 34 degree 44 minutes south, and longitude arrived is equal to, just add it, 154 degree 30 minute plus 21 degree 54.2 minute, that is your 176 degree 24. Arrived would be 176 degree 24.5 minute. So 176 degree 24.5 minute east, because here d long is less than 180 degree, so we don't need to subtract it from 360 degree. So this would be our positions. Okay, so this is our position of latitude arrived 34 degree 44 minutes south, and longitude arrived, that is 176 degree 24.5 minute east. So this is our answer. Okay, this is very basic and very easy numerical. Just apply the formula and find out the answer. D long is equal to departure upon cos latitude. You have to find out the d long, and departure is given here in form of distance, and cos latitude is equal to latitude is given here. So you just apply the formula and put the all values in here and find out the d long. And after that, when you find out the d long, just subtract it or add it according to the situations, and find out the latitude arrived or longitude arrived. Now let's move to the fifth question, that is find the position arrived. Latitude left, that is 49 degree 58 minutes south. Longitude left, that is 149 degree 22 minutes east. Course is given here, eastward direction, and distance, which is also a departure, that is 683.2 miles. Now we know the formula, that is d long is equal to departure upon cos latitude. So just put the value in departure and cos latitude and find out the d long. So d long is equal to departure, that is your 683.2 divided by cos 49 degree 58 minute. Okay, so your d long would be 683.2 divided by cos 49 degree 58 minute, that is your 1062.134284. This comes in form of minute, so you have to find out in form of degree. So just divide by 60 degree, that is your 17. So d long would be your 17 degree 42.1 minute. Which direction? Eastward direction. So your d long would be 17 degree 42.1 minute east. Now we have to find out the position arrived. So latitude left, that is our 49 degree 58 minutes south. and d lat is equal to 0 degree 00 minute. Longitude is equal to longitude left is equal to 149 degree 22 minute east, and d long is equal to 17 degree 42.1 minute east. Okay, just find out the longitude arrived and latitude arrived. So latitude arrived would be, and longitude arrived would be your answer. So latitude arrived, that is your 49 degree 58 minutes south. This is your first position of latitude, and longitude position, that is your, just add it, 149 degree 22 minute plus 17 degree 42 minute 42.1 minute, that is your 167 degree 4.1 minute east. Here the value of longitude, that is 167 degree 4.1 minute east, which is less than 180 degree. So we don't need to find out RB, so we don't need to subtract it from 360 degree. So this is your answer, and you got it, the position of latitude A and longitude B. Guys, if you have to draw the diagram, so how will you make the diagram? I already told you in my previous lecture. If you have to draw the diagram, which quadrant is given here? This is your southern quadrant, so just make the diagram of southern hemisphere. So this one is your southern hemisphere, this is your meridian. Okay, this is your meridian of A and meridian of B, meridian of A, and this one is your meridian of B. This is your D long. Okay, this one is your departure, and this is your latitude 0 degree. This one is your southern hemisphere. So which direction the D long is? Eastward direction. So just to make the diagram of this one, this is your departure. Okay, in fourth question, if you have to make the diagram, so how will you make the diagram? So just, this one is your southern hemisphere, so just draw the diagram in southern hemisphere. So this one is your southern hemisphere, this one is your meridian, this is your meridian of A, this is your meridian of B, this is your D long, and this would be your departure. Which direction is it going? Eastward direction. So make the arrow of this one direction. This is your departure, this is your southern hemisphere, and this is your latitude 0 degree. In third question, if you have to make the diagram, so how will you make the diagram? Latitude is in northern hemisphere, so you have to make the diagram in northern hemisphere. So this one is your northern hemisphere. Okay, this one is your meridians of A and meridians of B. Meridian of A and meridian of B. This is your D long, this one is your D long, and this one is your departure. Okay, which direction is it going? Eastward direction. So this is your departure, this is your latitude 0 degree, this is your in your northern hemisphere, and this is your in second question, latitude arrived, that is in your northern hemisphere. So just make the diagram of northern hemisphere. So this is your northern hemisphere. Okay, this is your meridian of A, this one is your meridian of B, meridian of A, meridian of B, this one is your D long, this one is your departure. Okay, this is your northern hemisphere, that is your latitude 0 degree, and which direction the departure is going, westward direction. So this arrow you have to make this one direction. Okay, in first questions if you have to make the diagram, so latitude arrived, that is in your southern hemisphere, so just make the diagram in southern hemisphere. So this one is your meridian of A, this one is your meridian of B, meridian of A, meridian of B, this is your D long, this one is your departure. Okay, which direction? Eastward direction. So make the diagram of eastward direction. This is your southern hemisphere, that is your latitude 0 degree. So by the help of the latitude you can just make the diagram in that directions. If it is in north hemisphere, then you have to make the diagram of north hemisphere, and if it is in south hemisphere, then you have to make the diagram of south hemisphere. And by the help of this formula you can find out the position arrived. For daily quick tips, follow me on Instagram, link in description. If you guys found this video helpful, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.